The world is getting smarter thanks to the digital revolution. And with alternative energies, we're moving towards climate neutrality. However, we still need something else for a sustainable future: alternative raw materials. Industry is still dependent on fossil sources. That needs to change. And it will change, with biomass, for example, an important sustainable resource. It's used more and more in plastics production, for example, to produce automotive paints. Even CO2 can be used as a new raw material. The exhaust gas contains something valuable, the element carbon. That's why CO2 can now find its way into plastics, for example, for the production of mattresses, sports floors, and textiles. Used plastic products are also an important raw material of the future. They have to be recycled far more than before, because plastics are far too valuable to be thrown away. And with alternative raw materials, they become even more sustainable.